Hello everyone, welcome to the Age Graceful channel. I appreciate all your support and a super welcome to all my new subscribers. If you are not one of my new subscribers, please take the time now to hit that button below and hit the bell as well so you'll be notified of all my new uploads. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from the lavievert company. I have received another beautiful makeup case or cosmetics bag. So if you want to see what's in this box, please stick around. So guys, upon opening the box, I found a personal thank you card from the lavievert and BECKO companies, as well as a silica gel packet to preserve the contents. So that's very important. And it's wrapped in plastic here. Now, once the plastic is removed, you can see that this makeup case is by the BECKO company, which is a subsidiary of the lavievert company. This makeup bag or case is very big. Look at this. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see. There's an outer pocket, and I'm going to place in the top the exact dimensions of this cosmetics case, because that's what it is. It isn't a makeup bag or pouch. This is a case. I see several zippers here, so let's start with this first one and get it unzipped. And I believe that this zipper will open up the main compartment here. And I want to be careful because upon reading the description on Amazon, there is a mirror inside. I believe it's in this box here. We'll find out shortly. If it's a mirror in here, it's very light. We'll find out shortly. Oh, here's the mirror. This is a little bit heavier. And I want to say the mirror goes right inside here. So as you sit and do your makeup, you have your mirror right in front of you. There's some extra packaging paper here to protect it from bumps and bruises. There's a strap so you can apply the strap and carry it over your shoulder. And then there are several dividers so you can place the dividers anywhere inside the case that you like and make up your own personalized sections. I didn't put this one in so straight. There are some longer ones. I'm not sure the dimensions. I'll get those for you and add those, as well as these shorter ones. And another silica gel packet. Now what I'm going to do, before I do that, here's another zipper. I didn't see that at first. So you have another storage area here, maybe for like your flat eyeshadow palettes to lay them nice and flat. And I guess in this section here you can divide it up to put like creams, your primers, your foundations, things that are probably likely in bottles would be very nice here. Either bottles or tubes. Now I'm going to unzip this top one here. And let's see what's in this section. Oh, and one other thing before I go to that section. This strap here keeps the bottom part and the top part open, just like a suitcase. And you can adjust this strap however you like. So I'm going to bring down this section Okay, so this reveals the perfect spot for your brushes. There's 3 pockets here. Plenty of room for all types and sizes of makeup brushes. And then here, this section here is like a netting so it can get air. So I would put beauty blenders here, maybe to dry, or powder puffs, cotton balls, and things of that nature. And here again is another silica gel pad. They were going to protect this cosmetics case. So now I'm curious. And I'm using one hand here, guys. I'm sorry. I'm going to open this case. Let's see which end it opens on. I might need to pause and use 2 hands and open it, but I'll give it one more shot. It's sliding away. Okay, I'm going to pause and open this. Okay, I did get this plastic case open, and there is nothing here. So I'm really curious as to how you would use this little plastic case. Maybe for something damp, like a silicone blender, or that has makeup on it, and then there's a sponge inside which probably absorbs the moisture from those silicone blenders, maybe after you wash them. This bag here has the mirror. There's a warning here. This is a mirror. Be careful not to be hurt by the sharp edges of the mirror. Installation: unzip the zipper of the cover, slip the mirror slowly into the protective cover, and zip the zipper and finish installation. So I'm going to take the mirror out, and I'll be right back, and we'll put the mirror in together. So I have the mirror out here, and what you need to do is to unzip here at the top. Then you're going to take your mirror and go inside this zippered area very carefully. I'm having a little trouble here with one hand, but here we go. And slide that mirror into place, just like that. And then you zip the zipper back up to keep the mirror in place. Very nice feature. So everyone, this concludes my review of the makeup and cosmetics case by BECKO, which is a subsidiary of lavievert. If you're interested in obtaining a case like this one, I will be leaving a discount code in the description box of this video. I thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day and be blessed. Bye now.